Children in the slums face a much more difficult life than any of us, with one of the biggest hurdles being education. Demotivation and boredom rise from the lack of spirit in online classes, which curbs their learning and growth. To add to this, the pandemic has caused unemployment of the parents, and thus the kids do not have laptops or resources to learn from. We, a team of 15 active STEM pioneers, strive for change. Having won several competitions at both the national and international level in robotics, Team Gforce has slowly built their skill and knowledge about innovation and development over the years, perfecting a skill that is alien to these children. We have trained 3 teams from Dharavi over the past 2 years in engineering and coding skills with our own equipment, but this year, due to COVID, that isn't possible. We would like to help the underprivileged children by teaching them the science of the future, electronics. We're in contact with 3 schools in the slums and have come up with a curriculum which is scalable, remote, and which can be carried out with our computer or laptop. We have sourced and planned kits with essential electronic components and have created video tutorials for the same, allowing the kids to get a hands-on and interesting experience of building over 100 projects from the comfort of their own homes. We will have live sessions over Zoom on the weekends to help them with their doubts and also a WhatsApp group to communicate with them. To achieve this, we need your help, as the circuit components are expensive, but they're definitely worth the hours of education and of fun a kid from the slums can get out of it. Donate by using the link down below. Even the smallest of donations can make a huge difference to a child's life. Thank you so much.